What's up, guys? Raider here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hey, I got a special request from one of my viewers to see how the iFlight Titan H3 flies on 3S. So I've got a 3S pack sitting a little sideways because the strap's a little too long. But Jan, this one's for you. Let's see how this flies. I just ripped it on 4S. It was fun, man. We got a couple wing pilots out here, so it's just ripping balls for a minute. All right, let's see how this little guy does on 3S. First time flying on 3S. All right, first flight on 3S. This should be interesting. Not seeing anything through my goggles. Supposed to came unplugged. It's the most anticlimactic start to a flight ever. Alright guys, let's do this. How's it look through the goggles? Pretty good. Always looking good in there. There we go. Everything's engaged now. Wow, hold on. I got some weird
Eventually.
stuff. So one thing I noticed right off the bat is that the menu and stuff got really weird on the DJI setup, so it's a little sketchy. Let's see how it flies. Like I said, with that battery like that, I'm just kind of, you know what, Jan? It flies a lot like the Transtech Beetle on 3S. Pretty much feels about the same. So pretty predictable. Let's rip around here and see how it does. This is just a little 650 milliamp pack, so this is not going to last long, guys. We're just going to get a little 2-minute flight here, probably. Again, this is just for one of my viewers, just to see how it flies. So far, I think it flies great. It flies fine. Actually, I'd probably say for regular flying, I might almost prefer it on this. It's really punchy on 4S. Throttle's really touchy, really needs a curve. This is just nice and casual. Look at this. Yeah, the battery voltage is already getting low. Alright, let's just do a quick power loop and call it a day. It's not a real power loop or whatever. So yeah, we're low voltage already. It's what you're going to get out of a little 650 on here. So I'd recommend probably like 1,000 milliamp 3S. I'm running an 854S, which works great on this. All right, let's bring her in. This flight's for you, Jan. Just nothing special here. It's not even a flight, just a quick little test. I'll probably post a regular flight right after this. Hold on, let's back that up. That was ridiculous. We're gonna land in front of me, for sure. All right, thank you. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Again, this is for a special request from one of my viewers, so there it is. iFlight on 3S. Flew pretty docile, kind of what you expect. All right, thanks for watching, guys.